Hey, first off, I just want to say thank you for looking into this. I'm truly honored that you would even consider looking at this idea. I got 3 levels, 3 tiers to this. The first one is the one I mentioned at $3 a month, where you would be an underwriter, and basically that would gain you access to the entire back library of the weekly Stumped Q&A videos. And as those go live each week and then a week later become private, you would still have visibility to all of those. Where do you find those? You'll find those in the community tab on the My Growth Rings channel. I know you can see those with all mobile devices and you can see them on your computer. I like to interact with them on the computer a little bit better than mobile, but hey, that's up to you and the way you like to play with YouTube. While I was setting the thing up, YouTube gave me one chance to have multiple tiers. They said that if you change this, it deletes everything. So I went ahead and set up 2 more tiers just for fun. So if you're interested, at the next level up at $6 a month, I'm going to add to the previous benefits a monthly Zoom meeting. We will meet right here in my shop, and we'll spend about an hour together every month and just talk about what's on your mind. And it's a 2-way conversation. I think would be a lot of fun, and we can do some private things together as the group of all of the members of what I'll call the board of directors. So the My Growth Rings board of directors. If that's of interest to you, please feel free to jump in on that. And you'll also have access to the library of those recordings. We'll record those monthly Zoom meetings, and if you're a board of director member, you'll have that. And then finally, I think it's got to be the top tier at $10 a month, and I'm assuming that's just you, Mom and Dad. We're going to call you a chairman of the board, and what you get in addition to all of the other tier benefits is your name's going to go in the credit on every video that we publish. So as long as you're a member at the chairman level, that's an added bonus. So hey, again, I'm just, it's weird, it's uncomfortable, but I'm honored that you would consider this. I appreciate your support, and by all means, if this is something you want to try and bail on, I get it, but this could be fun. All right, look forward to seeing you in one of these private sessions.